Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to learn how to multiply fractions, right? Look at here. Here 4 by 5 is a fraction and here we have another fraction 2 by 3. So how can you multiply these two fractions? Okay. Look at here. For 4 by 5, here the numerator is 4 and the denominator is 5. And for 2 by 3, we have numerator here 2 and denominator is 3. So for multiplying these two fractions, what I'll do, I will multiply numerator to numerator, that is 4 times 2. Then I will multiply denominator to denominator, 5 times 3. So I am getting here 4 times 2, that is 8, and 5 times 3, that is 15. So this is the result, right? Okay, let me take another example. How to multiply minus 1 by 2 times 3 by 5. Okay, many students feel problems in case of placing this minus. Actually, you can place this minus with 2, or you can place this minus with 1. So I will prefer to place minus with 1, or that is in the place of numerator, right? So now we have to multiply numerator to numerator, that is minus 1 times 3, then denominator to denominator, 2 times 5. So basically we are getting minus 3 divided by 10. So this is the result, right? Okay, let me take another example. How to multiply minus half times minus 1 by 3, right? So look at here, I can rewrite this like this. So we have to multiply numerator to numerator, right? And then we have to multiply denominator to denominator. Here we have minus, here we have minus. So minus times minus equal to plus, right? So we have to write here plus. Then 1 times 1 equal to 1. So plus 1. And 2 times 3, that is 6. Okay. Now let me show you how to multiply 1 by 3 by 5. That is 1 by 3 is a fraction, but 5 is an integer. So how to multiply a fraction by an integer? Okay, so to multiply, I can rewrite this problem. I can write 1 as denominator of 5, right? Basically, you can express any integer as fraction taking 1 as a denominator, because the value of 5 by 1 equal to 5. Now we have to multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So basically we are getting 5 by 3, right? Okay. Now let me show you this. How to multiply 5 by 2 times, look at here, this 5 is a fraction, but this is a mixed fraction, right? This is a improper fraction because the numerator is greater than denominator. So how to multiply this? So look at here. I have to express this mixed fraction as a improper fraction. So what will I do? I will multiply this integer times this denominator plus I will put the numerator, and denominator will be the denominator, right? No change of denominator. So basically we are getting here, look, 2 times 1, that is 2 plus 1 by 2. So we are getting here 5 by 2 times 3 by 2. Now we will multiply numerator to numerator, then denominator to denominator. So basically we are getting here 15 times 4. So this is the answer. Okay. So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.